and I was able to rebuild my life, and I would actually have my home and everything. But then I lost my job, and I made a dumb decision, and
Yeah.
the mental health treatment really did serve its purpose, and I thank y'all for offering the service.
All right. Court is calling 2026 CR 008025, State versus David Kasanova. Could I have parties announced?
Brandon Prater for the state.
Anthony Cantrell for Mr. Casanova.
And are you Mr. Casanova?
Yes, sir.
Just one second. For some reason, Odyssey has shut down on me.
Oof.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Casanova, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We're proceeding on count one, but waiving the punishment enhancement.
No
Any
objection.
objection?
No objections.
Just Mr. Casanova, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent. By entering this plea, you're giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses? Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Casanova, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea? Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in prison. There are no applications. This will run concurrently with 2007 CR 7059. And is this 2026?
Yes, Judge, that's correct.
2026 CR 9157W. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State defense is at the plea.
It is a plea, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand? Any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to count 1, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State any evidence.
Judge, we offer you state exhibit number 1, including all attachments.
No objections.
All right. And with regards to your plea bargain agreement, the 2026 case, he's already been sentenced? Okay.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. Thank you. State, you may be
Of
excused.
course, thank you, Judge.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, follow the bargaining.
All right, the court will sentence you to 4 years in prison, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrent with 2007 CR 7059 and 2026 CR 9157W. Do you need any help with any type of drug addictions?
Well, I was gonna ask, if I could consider going to this program here. I was looking into it, my family was.
Well, I mean, you've agreed to a prison term, so I can recommend the therapeutic community for you, but you'll have to request it as well. It doesn't increase the time that you're in custody, but you'll have to request it. And hopefully they will admit you into the program and that can help you.
Oh, so I'll request it when I get over there. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, and they're going to see in the judgment that I'm requesting that for you. It's not that program that you're showing me now because you're going to prison, okay?
Okay.
All right, so, and the court will request the therapeutic community. Did you review the trial court certification of defendants' rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right. Do you have any questions about anything before they take you back?
Just the therapeutic community, that's gonna be something like maybe St. P or something like that?
No, it's just a program at the prison. All right. But you have to tell them what your issues are. Like I said, I put in here that there's a substance abuse issue because I didn't see anything in the paperwork to suggest mental health. But if you tell me,
In the past, I've had it, but I don't think I've gotten off the medications.
Mhm.
They served their purpose, because during the time when I needed them, I had just lost my father and I was suffering with that, so it helped me. And I was able to rebuild my life. And I would actually have my home and everything, but then I lost my job and I made a dumb decision and,
Yeah.
The mental health treatment really did serve its purpose, and I thank y'all for offering those services.
okay. All right. When you're released from prison, if I'm still here, because sometimes people are being released at different times, you can come here and I'll help pick up the phone to call someone to help you find a place, okay?
Okay, as far as for
For sober support living.
sober living or something like that,
Mhm.
okay, can I get your card, Your Honor?
Oh, well, you can't have my personal, like I can't give you my personal cell number, but if you just come back to the 187 District Court if I'm here, yeah.
Oh, okay, because I saw a card right there. I was
Oh,
thinking-
no, that card is probably the one that's the court reporter's card.
Okay, well, I'll keep that in mind because I am looking forward, because I struggled and I started getting my help in Austin.
Mhm.
And if you reach out for the resources and use them to your advantage, they really do help you. But
So
have
are you
to-
going back to Austin?
No, I came back to San Antonio and everything worked out, but I've been thinking lately here that I gotta talk to my family and see.
All right, because otherwise, if,
See, but I just, I was doing it, but I just.
it's hard.
I made a dumb decision and, and just, but everything happens for a reason,
Mhm.
so, and I thank you for showing me leniency and working with me and being willing to help me. I really do appreciate it.
All right, you're welcome. And if for some reason I'm not here, like if you're released later after I'm no longer on the bench, if you'll just ask for lifetime recovery and Google lifetime recovery, they'll accept you. And you can tell them, hey, Judge Boyd told me to get in touch with lifetime recovery.
Okay, can I use lifetime recovery for a parole address? Do you know?
You'll have to speak with them.
Okay, so
Well, I would tell you, when you get ready to parole, they usually will give you a list of places that can help you if you don't have a place to live.
because I was thinking about trying to use this place. I do, but I want to try to do it on my own.
Okay.
So I was thinking about trying to use this place.
Oh, sure. Just call them and see, write them letters and see if they'll do it.
Challenge,
Mhm.
called the Golden Teen Challenge
Okay.
here in San Antonio, so I want to try that.
All right. Well, good luck to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're
Thank you,
welcome.
Judge.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Oh, and